Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of Rava Dosa. This dosa can be prepared using medium rava, which is also called as Bombay Rava, or Chiroti Rava, which is also called as fine rava. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of medium rava, half cup of rice flour, little Maida. You can replace Maida with wheat flour, finely chopped onion, cumin seeds, finely chopped green chilli, grated ginger, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped curry leaves, a tablespoon of curd, salt to taste, and give it a good mix. Now add water. Initially add little amount of water. Mix until no lumps are formed. Then add more water to get buttermilk consistency. Here I have added altogether 4 cups of water. Rest the batter for about 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, stir the batter. If in case the batter has turned thick, add more water to make it watery. Now heat a pan and grease it with oil, then wipe it with a paper towel. To pour the batter, you can either use a small bowl like this or a ladle. Now pour the batter really thin on the hot tawa. Initially start pouring the batter from the edge of the tawa, then fill the center. Drizzle few drops of oil over the dosa and cook in medium flame. This dosa will take little longer time to cook. It will take somewhere around 3 to 4 minutes to turn crispy. Make sure to stir the batter really well before pouring it on the tawa. Once the sides of the dosa turns crispy, gently remove it from the tawa. Hot and crispy Rava dosa is ready. Serve it with coconut chutney or sambar. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.